Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will discuss the airdrop of PRYZM. And there are two different ways to participate in this particular airdrop. The first way is the free way, and the second way is when you have the funds. And obviously if you have the funds and you utilize these funds in order to get this particular airdrop, then the chances are relatively high, or the chances are absolutely high. So first, let's see how we can participate in it if we have the funds. So first way is that you can open up the official website of PRYZM by just visiting their X page or the Twitter's page. And for that, just open up the PRYZM on Twitter and then scroll down a little bit, and you will be able to find this pinned tweet by them. Just open this one at the testnet website, and this is where it will take you. But first, let's see how we can participate in the airdrop using our funds. So for that, you would require Keplr wallet. In case if you are completely new to crypto and don't know how to use Keplr wallet, then you can just see the Keplr wallet tutorials on our channel itself. And in case if you already know that, then just simply open up your Keplr wallet, and after that, just go to the option of staked, then click on this option of stake with Keplr dashboard. And this will lead you or redirect you to this page. Now, in case if you have the Atom or the Osmosis, then just simply select it. After that, it will ask you to choose your validator. Now, over here, we need to search for PRYZM, and this is how it will appear. The commission is 7.5%. and the voting power is also there. So all you have to do is just stake your Atom or the Osmosis with them, and you would be eligible for the airdrop. This was the way when you have the funds. In case if you don't have Atom or Osmosis or any of the funds, then how do we get eligible for the airdrop? For that, just simply open up the testnet website, connect your wallet, and it will add the PRYZM on your testnet wallet automatically. After that, just click on this option of faucet. This is where it will take you. Just click on this option of request tokens, and it will send the tokens in your wallet. After that, you need to increase your own chain activity on PRYZM, and this is basically the same pattern with rest of the airdrops out there. All you have to do is just increase your activity on their network or blockchain, so they can see your traces on their blockchain and reward you for that. Basically, they are testing it out using testnet, and we are the testers for their blockchain, and check whether everything is working fine with their blockchain or not, because in future these platforms will be used by a wide variety of people, and they should not face the problems that we are currently facing while participating in these systems. So that's why they are incentivizing it, and we are getting the airdrops in place of using their systems. So just get the faucet rewards, and after that, click on this option of trade, then click on swap. Over here, just type the amount that you want to transfer or swap with C Luna. You can select any other asset as well if you want to. Then just simply click on this option of swap and wait for it to do its work. Then click on this option of approve. Now it will swap and increase our activity on this particular chain. So we just swapped. Now we can just simply go back to our home section and check out all the different options what we can do over here. Like we can participate in the pools, and for that, just simply click on it. After that, select any particular pool that you want to be part of. Suppose I want to be part of this one. Just type the amount of different assets and click on provide liquidity, and it will just prompt you to approve the transaction. And the more transactions that you will do on this particular chain, the better your chances of getting the airdrop. And for improving the activities, just participate in various features and functionalities on this particular website or web. And you can also go and vote for PRYZM governance, and the liquid voting is also there. So let's go and check it out. So we can type the amount of 1 over here and select the validator. Then simply click on this option of stake. And after approval and waiting for a while, you would be able to stake. and the yield is 20%. This is all on testnet and you're not getting real rewards right now, but in future the chances are that you will get. So that's why we are doing all these activities. You can also set recurring trades on Pulse Trade and just type the amount and also select the token that you want to purchase. After that, select the amount of token that you want to use in order to purchase that particular token, and also select the interval for which you want to do the recurring trade. After that, you would be able to just create that particular trade and these tokens will be purchased on its own using the funds that you just selected and the time interval. So this is quite cool and things will be working in this way in future. So we can also do this, or we can just do the flow trade. Under this, you can convert any token to another token in a gradual way. So we can do it as well. Otherwise, we can just simply click on earn and delegate our PRYZM tokens and earn the rewards. You can also use this bond feature. For that, just simply click on bond. And under this, basically, when you bond your atoms, you will get C atom in place of your atom. And these C atoms on your wallet will be able to generate yields for you. And you will also be able to use this C atom in the similar way that you used your atom. So this is a good way of generating yields while still having the asset with us, but actual asset is not with us technically. So just do all these activities and you would be eligible for the airdrop. So these were the two ways to participate in this airdrop of PRYZM, and I hope this video was helpful. And if you still need any help, you can just simply comment down below. I will be happy to help you out. And in case if you want to see more such videos of airdrops and also about crypto fundamentals, then you can just simply click on this option of subscribe and turn on the notifications, and also like this video, and see you in the next video.